Hi, Renee here. And let me ask you, here we are now in the middle of January, and so many of us are like, okay, it is time to get some lifestyle changes. I need to diet and exercise and all that stuff. And off we go, just doing what we think we should do. But you know what? We don't know what's really working for us. So up until now, people will come to me, I'll give them some nutrition or some information. They'll come back, Renee, it's just not working. How do you know? You have no idea what's going on in this body unless you test. You want to test, not guess. I just had an amazing revelation by wearing a continuous glucose monitor for 2 weeks, and I've been blown away by all the information that I learned about myself, things I had no idea. So if you're not sure which way to go, what's working and what isn't, put on that glucose monitor and you'll start to see. You'll be able to see what foods spike you and crash you. You'll be able to see the effect of your sleep. You'll be able to tell when you're stressed what's going on. And you know what? Once you see the information, you can't unsee it anymore. And now you can use the real information to put together a program perfect for you.